What's up, you guys? Welcome back for another session. As you guys can see, I'm currently sitting in my car right now. I was about to go get some breakfast and I was like, you know what, let me grab my laptop and do a quick analysis for you guys, right? So this morning we made money trading gold in EU or USD. We made about 250 pips on gold. As you guys can see, this is the Booming FX signal chat, and we made about 110 pips. It's currently up 150 pips right now on EU or USD, right? If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Mino. I go by Mino Bowman. I'm a full-time day trader and a mentor to about 56 students, right? So if you guys want to be part of this community, feel free to follow me on Instagram at Booming FX and send me a DM and I'll get you guys started, right? As you guys can see, this is the Booming FX signal group, right? This is the gold trade that I called. We caught about 250 pips on it and we caught about 110 pips on E. The gold trade is pretty much done. As you guys can see, TP1 and TP2 smashed at 250 pips, and we're currently holding EU. EU is currently up 150 pips right now, and we move a stop loss to the entry price to make it break even, right? So this is a good week for us so far, right? We made money on gold, EU, and GC, right? I'm going to show you guys why I call the gold trade for the team right now. This is gold on a daily time frame. I'm going to place my key levels, right? So as you guys can see, this is a good support level, right? Every time the market goes for 2290, right? Reject, went up, reject, went up, reject, went up, and then the same thing happened here as well. Gold dropped to 2290, and then since then it's been going up, right? And then I'm also going to place a resistance level up there, right? As you guys can see, again, every time the market goes for 2388, right? Touch, went down, touch, reject, 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 and then went all the way down. Same here as well. This was a false breakout. It just went above it, but came back down again. Then touch the 2388, then went back down. So pretty much is gold been bouncing between 2290 and 2388. So this is a daily time frame, guys. Right? If you want, you can add a couple more levels as well, because this can be a good resistance or support level, depends on where you're looking at it, right? If you're looking at it from this to that, then it is a resistance level. Then if you're looking at it from this to that, then it is a support level, right? So this is pretty much gold on a daily time frame. You don't have to do too much. You can add a couple more levels as well if you want to, but I don't like adding too many lines, because too many lines might confuse you, right? So you can add a resistance level up there as well at 2353, right? Then once you're done with the daily time frame, right, you're gonna have to go down onto the 4-hour time frame, right? So pretty much is you have to start your analysis on the higher time frame, then you have to scale down onto the lower time frame, right? On the lower time frame, which is the H4 time frame, right, I've realized that gold is giving me higher lows and higher highs, which is a good indication that the market is about to shoot up, right? So what I did is, right, I went to insert, I grabbed my rectangle box, right, I placed the low. So this is the lowest that gold went before it went all the way up, right? And then I place another level up there. So this became a high, right? You got the low, you got the high. This was a higher low, right? You got the low, you got the high, you got the higher low, which is a good indication that the market is about to shoot up, right? And then you have to repeat the same process again. Actually, let me go into the 1-hour time frame so you guys can see it properly, right? So you got the low, high, and a higher low. And then if you grab your Fibonacci retracement, right, and you place it from the low, right? You place it from the low all the way to the high, I can guarantee you this was a 61.8% retracement. Let me zoom in so you guys can see, right? The market give you the low, the high, and then dropped and closed below and closed above the previous low to give you a higher low at the 61.8%. Right? You got 1, 2, 3 touches at the 61.8%. Since then it went all the way up to smash TP at 0%, right? So that's the first indication that gold was about to shoot up, right? So I've waited for gold to give me the next higher high, right? Gold went all the way up to give me the next high. So all I did is I placed my fib, right? Fib retracement again from the most recent higher low, from the previous higher low, right, to the previous higher high, and then I waited for gold to drop to the 61.8% for me to place the buy. As soon as gold went down to the 61.8% fib retracement, which is my area of interest, I called the buy for the team, and gold went all the way up to smash TP1 and TP2, right? So we got in at 2307, and then we targeted the previous high for TP1, the minus 27% was for TP2. Pretty much is all you have to do the minute you realize the market is giving you higher lows and higher highs. All you have to do is grab your fib retracement, place it from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high, and then you'll be looking to get in between the 50% and the 61% retracement. That's where you'll be looking to get in for the buy, right? So if the market is trending up, make sure you look for buys only. Do not try to counter trade it. If the market is trending down, make sure you look for sales only. do not try to counter trade it, right? That's pretty much how my strategy goes, right? I'm always trying to be on the right side of the market at all times, right? So this is gold, right? You got the low, got the high, you got the higher low, got the higher high. So all you have to do is place your fib from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high, and then you'll be getting at the next higher high, right? Which is the 50% or 61% retracement. As soon as the market did that, went all the way up to smash OTP 1, which was at the previous higher high, right? And then went all the way up to smash or TP2. And gold since then it's been going up, right? Low, high, higher low, right? Higher high, higher low. So all you have to do now again, right, is wait for the market to give you the next higher high. Let's say if gold start retracing again, right? All you have to do is place your fib from here to there, and then you'll be getting at the next higher high between the 50 and 61%. So that's pretty much all there is to the strategy, right? If it's bullish, you look for buys only, right? As you guys can see, the market is giving you low, high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So you'll be looking for buys only, right? And then use the Fibonacci retracement to tell you where the market might retrace to, which is usually between the 50 and 61%, which is the next higher low, right? Always try to get in at the next structure, right? Do not be buying gold up there or up there. You have to buy gold after it gives you the next higher low, right? And that's how we made money from gold down there, right? And we caught over 250 pips on it, right?